Hello, I'm Anuja Mariyam. I've done a program on hashing. I'll explain the program. This is the header file, and we've declared three functions here. That is void display function, void insertion with an argument, and also another function of type int called search function. An array A of size 5 of integer type is declared. The main function starts here. In the main function, we have a for loop where an integer I is initialized to 0, and we check for the condition if I is less than 5. If this condition is satisfied, then we enter the loop where we initialize the array position A of I to -1. After this, the value of I is incremented. This loop works until the condition is false. Outside the loop, we've declared three integer values: ch, in, and check. Here, there is a do loop where we see the statement 1 insert, next line 2 search, 3 display, 4 exit, and then enter your choice where we enter our choice using the variable ch. We have a switch case where we switch the value of ch. If the value of ch is 1, then it's case 1 where we see the statement enter the data, where we enter the data using the variable in, and the insertion function is called. So the control moves from here to here. The void insert function with an integer in as the argument. We have declared a variable key which is equal to the value in modulus 5, and then another integer variable I, which we have an if condition here where we check if the value of the position A of key is equal to -1. If this condition is true, then the value in the position A of key gets a value in. Else, we have a for loop where we initialize the variable I to the value key plus 1 modulus 5, and then we check if I not equal to key. If this condition is satisfied, then we have an if statement here where we check if the variable in the value in the position A of I is equal to -1, and then we give the value of in to a position A of I, and then we break it. And outside this loop, we have another if loop where we check if the value in I is equal to key. If this condition is satisfied, then we see the statement hash table is full. After this, the control comes here where we get the value I is equal to I plus 1 modulus 5. From here, the control comes back here, and if the entered choice is 2, then the control comes to case 2 where we see the cout statement enter the data to be searched, and we enter the data which has to be searched using the variable in, and then we give the value in the position value of the output when the search function is called to the variable check. So from here, the control comes here, that is here. Here we have a function called int search function where we have an argument int in. We've declared two integers p and q where the value of p is equal to in modulus of 5. And then we have an if condition here where we check the value in the position A of p is equal to n. If this condition is true, then we return the value p. Here we have a for loop where we initialize a variable q to p plus 1 modulus 5, and another condition A of q not equal to -1 and q not equal to p. If this condition is satisfied, then we enter the loop where we have an if condition where we check if the value of the position A of q is equal to n. If this condition is true, then we return the value of q, and then q is given the value q plus 1 modulus 5. Here we have another if statement where we check if A of q not equal to p. If this condition is satisfied, then return -1. From here, the control comes back here where we check if the insert option is display. If display function is called, then the control comes from here to here. Here we've declared a variable called int I, and we have the cout statement. The elements in the hash functions are, and then we display. We have a for loop here where we've initialized a variable I to 0, and then we check if I is less than 5. If this condition is satisfied, then the variable in the position AFI is displayed and value of I is incremented. And we have a default value here saying wrong option. And then all these cases work only if the choice is not equal to 4. Now I'll run the program. We see the statement 1 insert, 2 search, 3 display, 4 exit, and enter your choice. I'm entering the choice 1 insert, enter data 12, enter your choice 1 insert, 3 display, enter the data 3, and then enter your choice 3 display. Here the values inserted have been displayed because the value for initially inserted was 1 and then the second one is 12, and when these have been divided by 5 the elements have been positioned in the modulus value. Now enter your choice 1, enter data 34, enter your choice 1, enter data 45, enter your choice 3 display. Now enter your choice and go for 3 display, 45 display. Enter your choice to search. I'll search for the element 34. The search data is found in index 4, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'll search for one more element, let it be 12. The search data is found in index 2. Enter your choice, 4 exit. Hence we conclude that the program is successful. Thank you for watching.